recording on this old phone, watching these big fireworks. Okay, I think they're gonna set some more. Oh, that's cool. Did you see how I made that curve? Oh, that one was huge. Let me see. Oh, here comes this one. Nice. Whoa. Oh, here comes more. Huh? Oh. Wow. Cool. So you can hear them like shoot out, and then that's when they make a pop, like a few seconds later. You know, Mama? Ooh. Oh. Wow. There's many more big ones. Those ones, they look like camera shots. You can see the camera shot fireworks. Ooh, wow. Wow. Very pretty and very loud. Wow. This is a real good show right here. Very thrilling. There's even some behind. Oh. I want to shoot the ones from behind, but it looks like the front ones are real easy to get. Yep. Oh yes, this one's even better. Look at that. Ooh. Those ones are like fountains or mines. Ooh. Oh. Wow. Oh. That was one good firework there. Whistling and boom. It's like they got fireworks that whistle when they shoot up, and then bam, they make a loud boom afterward. Whoa! That one was like on the ground. Wow. Nice. This one, they're like, these ones are like flares. There's more over there. Alright, so far so good. Whoa! Oh! I hope I caught that one. Whoa! Dang! Oh, that's another one. Whoa. Now this is starting to get even more thrilling. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Here comes some more of those little popper fireworks. Whistling and popping. I think I'm gonna sit back down now. Don't want my legs getting tired standing. Nice. Just missed that one. Let's see if we can put in. There's more of those firecrackers that I want to get, but I think I want to stay here. You can see some of that smoke from the fireworks over there. Nice. This is the best 4th of July I've ever recorded. Whoa! Wow! And they twinkle. That one literally twinkles. just like in the new year. But, wow. And this is 2024. Here we go. Yeah. I really love this 4th of July. And this is in 2024. My most favorite holiday ever. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh, dude. My goodness. I wonder if they're doing this in any other states besides Texas. Wow. Okay, looks like I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.